Hey, what you got today, Blippi? Whoa, those are your toys? Is this your new Blippi house? Yeah, look here. Look at that.
With my friend
Yeah,
Blippi.
it's a big house.
And
Yeah.
Blippi name?
Yeah. Yeah, can you show me your toys? Yeah, look at that.
Remote control of money.
Oh, you got remote control with money?
Yeah.
Huh.
And bigger.
Whoa, look at
Sorry.
that. Yeah.
And Coke.
Yeah, that's gonna be your table for eating your breakfast. Yeah.
And
What kind of monster truck you have?
ready? And what's that one?
Ah,
That one.
yeah. What you got inside? Are
That
you gonna
one.
sleep inside tonight? Wow, look at that. Go inside. Let's see. How big is your house? Look at that.
This one.
Whoa. You got window. Here you go. Yeah, look
Yeah,
at
Mom.
that.
I have my little bench.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and another one.
Another window with the Blippi doll. Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
And
Oh,
here's
you
my.
got shelves over here.
I have a remote control
Yeah.
and a car and the money. And there's
Yeah.
a little opening.
Oh, that's a window.
Yeah.
Huh, nice. Let's go around. Let's go around and see. Whoa, look at that. There's the window.
Yeah.
You got another window? Where's another window? Whoa, there's another window over
This
here.
one's super big.
Yeah. Look at that.
That can be my dump truck there.
Yeah, it's so big. Your house is so big.
The table
On the table.
and my drink.
Okay.
One. And down.
Whoa. There you go. Thank you, helicopter.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going back. Have fun camping.
Oh, you're gonna park it there on the shelf?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay, let's eat your breakfast.
Okay.
There you
Hey,
go.
Ganso.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be my seat.
Are you gonna sit on the pillow for now?
Yeah. Ah!
Whoa, what's that?
Something's in my fork.
Oh no, it's a cricket. Yeah, catch it.
I love crickets.
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh, it's going outside.
A jumping cricket.
Yeah. Let him go outside. It's okay.
No.
Yeah.
I want to catch him.
Oh, you're gonna eat your breakfast, so you don't want him to get into your breakfast. Yeah. Breakfast?
Yep. It was
Yeah. Oh, are you gonna show around your stuff? Yeah. Okay.
Stand.
Oh.
Put it right here.
Oh. That's your camera stand?
Okay. Shut around.
Yeah.
This is my good tractor. This one has a load of cardboard.
Oh, that has a lot of cardboard. That's okay. Yeah. It's a good tractor. Look at that.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
Alright.
Yeah. What kind of monster trucks is that?
I don't know. I can't say.
Oh. Oh, they got Monster Jam ones.
And they have reports. Oh, maybe.
Okay, helicopter is bringing something for you. Where are you? Are you sleeping? Wake up!
Found it. Hiding.
It was hiding?
Yeah, it was hiding in the corner.
Wow. 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 It's coming, okay? Into your fort. It's gonna land on your table.
Land!
Go inside. There you go. Whoa, what you got there?
These are not really Skittles. Maybe M&M's or something.
Oh, yeah. Oh no, it's stuck. Oh, they're racing. Those? Hey, oh no, they crashed. Let's try again.
Okay, this time
Yeah,
I'm going to do a wall of them down the ramp.
yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Ready, get set, go. Whoa, whoa. He made it. Yeah.
Them two didn't win.
Are you ready? Go. Oh no, you made it. Let's try fire and ice.
Okay, I think Fire and Ice will wobble.
Yeah.
Heck.
Oh,
What?
he went to the window on the other side.
The ramp is down there.
Oh no, it crashed. Let it try.
Okay.
Look, are you ready? Get set, go. Whoa, he made it. Look.
I have this one. I'm gonna do Gravedigger versus Gravedigger. We have two Gravediggers now. This one's the modified dumper Gravedigger. This
Oh.
one's the Fire and Ice one.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, whoa, he made it.
Oh, he made it!
Oh, he made it too?
He will do one.
Oh, he went down there.
And under the ramp.
Oh.
Under the ramp. It goes under the ramp. I wish I had the
Okay.
The GoPro thing.
Let's see if Recoil will make it.
Actually,
Yeah. Oh, he made it!
that's yours.
Okay. Very good.
I'm going to
Oh, look! He landed on his bottom.
have a cuckoo bottom.
Yeah, let's try with the small. Yeah, small.
It's Windows and its battery broke off, but that happened.
Oh, it broke off.
Little bit.
Oh,
Just clicks off.
can you fix it?
It's just clicks back together. Let's try this again. I'm gonna start the carburetor to see if it's gonna fall off the ramp.
Oh no, it broke off. The battery and the windshield.
Just kidding.
Yeah, he made it. Yeah, let's try with the battery. Yes.
Yeah,
Let's try
bad.
that.
Okay, I'm bad.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, you do not.
Oh, he made it too.
Helicopter.
Let's do the helicopter first.
Long truck versus helicopter.
Ready? Go! Oh no! The battery went off. I think it got off. Yeah, again, look at that. It's going backwards?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Go! We made it, but the battery fell off.
Yeah, it was just scratching.
Yeah.
It wasn't.
Okay. Go! Oh. Quite a nice landing. Ready?
Tell me.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa, it landed. Yeah, let's try again. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. That's a good one. Yeah. Hey, let's try this one. Yeah, let's try this one.
I hope it falls off.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, good job. Let's try this one.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Now it got how many wheels?
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6. Now let's go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, he did good. That's a John Deere. Big one.
First was the Blippi and then John Deere.
Okay.
This one's, I never used this one on
Oh,
the
yeah.
ramp.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, it crashed. Let's do the John Deere.
Let's do this again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, he made it.
Yeah!
Yeah, John Deere.
John Deere was way bigger in size.
Is he ready?
Yep,
Ready? 1, 2,
I'm ready.
here, go. Oh, he crashed. Let's try again.
He was like,
Yeah,
he got on his side.
the landing was not good. Let's try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Let's try again.
I knew like really fun.
1, 2, 3. Oh, he-
Go Andy!
let's try again. One more time.
Go
One more time. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. He made it. That's a good job. Ready? Yeah, let's do it.
Alex.
Are you ready? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Yep.
Yeah, it's gonna be very fast. Okay, ready? 1, 2, go. Whoa, it was fast. Let's clear the path so he can go all the way. So he can go all the way to the to the carport.
Oh, I'm going to do work.
Oh, let's try with the yellow part again. Yeah, he's gonna go all the way, I think. Yeah. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! That's cool. Let's try with the dump truck. Yeah. Let's not break it. Ready, go. Good job. He landed safe. One try again. One more.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
try boom button.
Okay. Is there music? Oh, no battery. Yeah. He made it. He made it.
Put the rock into the hole. 1.
If it crashes, we have to run all the rocks up so it can't. So really,
That's enough.
see how it ties the numbers in?
Yeah. Yeah, that's enough, I think.
Okay, on the dump. Okay.
That's a lot of rocks.
Okay. And a lot of rocks. Okay.
Oh,
This is the wrong way. So the truck should go down.
oh.
This is a line so
Oh, that's-
we don't crash into the other one.
Oh,
Don't fall away into the grass.
that's the runway.
The
Oh,
wrong way. It's like an airplane one. A clear one that are turning right. They can turn right. The wrong way turn.
yeah, like this. Okay, he's going over there. That's his place, park.
I'm going to get my.
Wow, this is his parking space. Wow. Okay, the small one goes in there. Yeah. Let's get this one. The small one.
This one is a gravel one, so
Oh.
he carries gravel.
It's going on the ramp. Let's go up on the ramp. Yeah. Oh, this is too big. We gotta put it down here and plug it here. Okay, let's get the.
Spike!
Oh no.
Rock spikes!
Okay, so we're gonna park all this over here.
It's a rock! 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 A rock ranch!
Here, come help Dad.
Yep, I play in rock.
Come and help Dad.
I
Look.
Going to another duck. Another duck. I got it.
Look, there's a small one with him. Here. A small one. Let's drop it on the land. Look, he landed safe.
No! This.
Oh, the badger fell off? Yeah, look here. There.